Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix lag on Roblox. So all what you have to do is so simple. Just go to any server in Roblox. For example, I choose this one right here. It's a server for cars, and as you can see the cars, there is a lot of drop and lag on them. So all what you have to do to fix it is very simple. Just go to the top here on any server and click on this Roblox logo and then choose settings. And now all what you have to do is simple. Just scroll down and make sure to make the full screen off like this, and then make sure to make the graphics mode manual and the graphics quality as lower as possible. And then all what you have to do is you can now try it and there will be no lag. So don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.